Okay, folks, so now we have to talk about the set of colors, oil, solvent, and also the canvas, palette, canvas, things like that. Okay, so I use sometimes when I want to make just practice my paintings, rather than buying, framed canvas, I use that kind of paper, and paper is just special for oil or acrylic, and it's fantastic support. And I used to do that. Okay, that is A4. So I tape my paper on my tablet like that. Okay, yeah, you can see it now. And I work on that, and that is very cheap material, and you can start to practice your things. Another thing it's good also, it's that cardboard with canvas. You have different size, it's easy, and also it's easy to frame. It's easy to carry. If you go in some kind of class like mine, but you don't have to carry with a framed canvas. And yeah, it's very practice, and you will save a lot of money if you do that, because when we start, you make a lot of crap, you have to change, and so on. Okay, what about the colors? That is very important. Okay, I suggest you, when you start as a beginner, to buy one set of color. You have all the color inside, all the necessary color inside. Okay, as you start working, you will notice yourself, that will be simple, what kind of color you use the most. Probably you will have to buy white, red, yellow, blue, because that is a primary colors. And if you know how to mix them, you will make a lot of different colors. Mine, okay, I use that kind of, I have one, yeah, white, and all my colors are in that box. The color I use regularly, okay, not daily but regularly. I have more on my cabinet over there, but I will not run out of colors for sure. So now we have to talk about solvent and oil. Okay, in the market you have mineral spirit, and you have also something from turpentine, which is a solvent from from trees. Personally, I'm allergic to turpentine, so that's why I use that solvent. Okay, it's one brand, but you have different kind of brand. Gamsol is very from Gamblin is very popular now, so but it's very good. Yeah, I like it. It's very good. Okay, and about oils, I have to show you how many oils I have. I have more here, I have plenty of different oils. But for you, because the usage of oil, it's could be tricky. That absolutely you need to have someone who explain you how to use oil. Okay, so for beginner, the best way to start is by using some kind of ordinary linseed oil. You have everything that on my PDF that you can download for free down below. Yes, and with that you will be able to start.